Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening and thank you for tuning in to a brand new episode of The Breaking Ground. I'm Deepthi Sachdeva. Think of a situation here in the country when you have almost, a riot-like situation in Sambal in Uttar Pradesh, and there are still netas, there are still political parties who want to stoke this flame, who want to incite passions, who want to do Hindu-Muslim, who want to continue to ensure that we as a country stay divided. Wondering why? Because this helps them polarize votes. This helps them, they believe, to win votes. In spite of the fact that Akhilesh Yadav, remember, has lost badly at the hustings in the recently concluded by-polls. So what did he do? He loses the election, so his PDA fails. That's point number one. Point number two, he blames the EVM because he does not know what is the other big explanation that he can give to his, supporters. They also tried to do Hindu-Musliman. They also tried to tell us कि पत्थर नहीं नजर आते हैं, बंदूक नजर आती है. You must, right now just recall what has happened in the last many weeks in the run-up to these by-polls. And as soon as the by-polls finish, the results are out, Akhilesh realizes that he has no other script, no other defense. His own party people today have been booked for incitement. If you look at this image on your screens, you will realize that there is a huge bunch of people, not one, not two, not three, at least 100 people that you saw in that entire, image, which has been captured using a drone. They are not just, ladies and gentlemen, pelting stones. They are pelting bricks. Not stones, but bricks at the cops. So what should cops be doing, ideally, in such a situation? According to Akhilesh Yadav, they should remain quiet. They should remain mute spectators, because only then can the agenda of certain political parties really be forwarded. It's an absolutely, distasteful comment that has come in from multiple of his netas. Some of them who've cast aspersions on the judiciary, some of them who've said कि booth लूटेंगे तो पत्थर ही तो खाएंगे. Think of this. Not a single response that has come in from the SP for the policemen who were at the receiving end, who have been injured, who today are suffering in hospitals. Not a single word for them. But only and only their hearts bleed for these writers, people, a lot of them who've covered their faces, who've, just wanted to ensure that their identity is not revealed, and who are carrying stones, who are carrying bricks, who resort to arson, who resort to violence. Before we move ahead, let's uncover what has happened in the last few minutes, because our teams here at Times Now, remember, have been able to unravel the larger conspiracy. And we will tell you why an SP Neta today has been booked. Listen in very carefully to this next breaking update. This is a Samajwadi Party MP from Sambhal. Listen in very carefully to these 30 seconds of absolute incitement that possibly the police believes could have been the reason behind these riots.
ये मस्जिद थी, मस्जिद है और इंशाल्लाह मस्जिद रहेगी क़यामत तक। और रही बात, सबकी जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि हम अपनी मस्जिद की हिफाजत के लिए कानूनी लड़ाई को लड़ेंगे। हमारी मस्जिद को ये 2, 4, 5, 10 साल पुरानी नहीं है। इसको जो ये कहा जा रहा है कि बाबर ने किसी धार्मिक स्थल को उनको तोड़ करके बनवाया, और ये धार्मिक स्थल, ये मस्जिद पहले से किसी को तोड़ के नहीं बनाई गई। हक है, हक कहेंगे हम। पुलिस प्रशासन और सरकार से दबने वाले थोड़ी हैं। अरे हम इस देश के मालिक हैं, नौकर गुलाम नहीं हैं।
तो हम देश के मालिक हैं, कोई गुलाम नहीं है, कोई नौकर नहीं. This is what a Samajwadi Party sitting MP, remember, has to say. The same MP today who's feigning ignorance, the same MP who's today speaking of Sohard, who's raising questions at Yogi Adityanath, even the Narendra Modi government, and he says that this is a riot engineered by the state. Now listen to what the cops have to say, because this man today has been booked for incitement.
जियाउर रहमान बर्क और सोहेल इकबाल नामक ये दो नामजद अभियुक्त हैं जिनको उन्होंने अभियुक्त बनाया है। उनके द्वारा बताया गया है कि भीड़ को इन लोगों ने भड़का के बलवे का रूप दिया। यह उल्लेखनीय है कि जियाउर रहमान बर्क को 168 BNSS का नोटिस जनपद संभल की थाना कोतवाली पुलिस द्वारा भी पूर्व में दिया गया था। उनके द्वारा पूर्व में भी भड़काऊ भाषण दिए गए थे। उस भड़काऊ भाषण के दौरान उनको बताया गया था कि आप इस तरीके के भाषण ना दें, इनसे बाज आएं, लेकिन उन्होंने उसके बाद भी भीड़ को उकसाने के लिए और जामा मस्जिद की हिफाजत कोट एंड अनकोट इस स्टेटमेंट के साथ में लोगों को मोबिलाइज करने का प्रयास किया।
So Akhilesh Yadav today also believes that this is entire, plot that has been engineered by the state. His own party people have even cast aspersions on the judiciary, and that's my first question that you see on your screens. Right from saying कि देश में आग लग जाएगी to calling this कि challenge आ रहा है, अगर हमारे बूथ लूटोगे तो पत्थर खाओगे. Our netas, remember, not guilty of stoking sentiments in Sambhal. Who really are these netas? Why don't we name and shame them? Let's identify them, because it's enough. These netas have been using all of us as pawns only to further their own political gains. The next question now that's going to go up on your screens. A lot of these questions today, remember, are today directed at a lot of these people, lot of these netas who are otherwise responsible netas, but today who are wanting to politicize the situation. The opposition, remember, has also moved a notice in the parliament over this violence. They say we are very concerned. They've reached the speaker, but the problem is that they have a problem with the cops. They have a problem with the administration, a problem with the Yogi Adityanath government, problem with the Narendra Modi government. But absolutely no word for those who are pelting stones and bricks. So the question we are asking, is this an attempt to whitewash this mob that has been creating such a ruckus? Was this violence, ladies and gentlemen, pre-planned, as the cops claim? Because cops say a lot of these stones, these bricks, were gathered, it was put on terraces at particular locations. So why did that happen? If the idea was not to create a situation like this, just think of it. How did so many bricks and stones come from? Where did they come from? Why were they gathered? Is there a larger political plot behind the violence, especially from those who says देश का संविधान खतरे में है, देश का मुसलमान खतरे में है, हमारी डेमोक्रेसी खतरे में? Why has Akhilesh Yadav linked these riots now to the movie Sabarmati Report that, remember, is about the Godhra riots of 2002? Is this bizarre? Has this been done according to a plan? Or does Akhilesh want to stoke a particular narrative? What is Akhilesh Yadav really wanting to do? As we look at all these questions, I will also say good evening to our panel of guests, but I also want to take in, our guests who've been patiently waiting. Anirudh Pratap Singh represents the BJP. Rashmi Sawant is a noted activist. Nikul Patel is representing the Congress on the show, and Pooja is the SP's national spokesperson. Pooja, let's begin by asking you, अभी आपने अपने जो समाजवादी पार्टी के MP हैं, बरक साहब, उनका बयान सुना है?
जी, दिखती जी।
तो क्या करना चाहिए आपको? आपकी पार्टी को क्या करना चाहिए? अखिलेश यादव को क्या करना चाहिए?
What do you want me to answer on that? You know, the Republican form of government says that it's the rules of people, and he said the same. उन्होंने बोला कानूनी लड़ाई लड़ेंगे. He said the same. 1991 एक्ट को आप वर्शिप एक्ट को आप दरकिनार करते हैं. उन्होंने बोला राइट की बात की. अभी आपका मैं सुन रहे थे, आपने कहा कि प्री प्लान था. यस, इट वर प्री प्लान. आपने कहा ना इलेक्शन के बाद में, बाय इलेक्शन के बाद. यस, आफ्टर द 2024 एमपी इलेक्शन.
पूजा ये बताइए कब से प्लानिंग चल रही है? बता दीजिए ना, आपने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया, मुझे बताइए कब से प्लानिंग चल रही थी?
बिल्कुल मैं ये चीज को तो गवर्नमेंट में एक्सेप्ट कर रही है ना कि 2024 का जब से इलेक्शन खत्म हुआ है, उत्तर प्रदेश में बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट को ये देखने को मिला कि उनका जो सरकार है वो तरीके से काम नहीं कर पा रही, वो सीटें लॉस कर रही है. तो उसके बाद से फिर आता है नाम की राजनीति आती है हिंदू मुस्लिम करने के लिए, वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट इंटरवीन करता है.
पूजा देखिए, अब बहुत हो गया. आप लोग लगातार टेलीविजन डिबेट्स पर आकर सिर्फ एक कॉन्वर्सेशन करते हैं, हिंदू वर्सेस मुसलमान. मुझे ये बताइए, समाजवादी पार्टी को नहीं, पूजा, समाजवादी पार्टी को आपके जो ये एमपी ने बयान दिया है, जो ये कहते हैं कि वी आर द ओनर ऑफ द नेशन नॉट द स्लेव, हम मालिक है इस देश के, नौकर नहीं है, ये आपको कैसे ओके है? कैसे ओके है? अगर ये इंसाइटमेंट नहीं है तो क्या है? भड़काने का आइडिया किसका था? पूछा
कि आप यहाँ पे मालिक हो, यू कास्ट योर वोट, इट्स द पीपल्स रूल, रिपब्लिकन फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट, इट्स द पीपल्स रूल. ऐसा नहीं किसी राजशाही नहीं चलती है, पीपल्स आर रूलिंग द कंट्री. दैट इज
एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई सेड. Just because you have lost an election, just because you have lost the by-poll does not mean that there is no democracy in the country. No, Pooja, that doesn't justify this violence.
Just give me 1 minute. If the administration is failing continuously in Uttar Pradesh, what do you think?
No.
You
are trying to deflect. So what I'll do, I'm just going to request our team. I'm going to request our team to play out this response once more, Pooja. No, Pooja, because I have to ensure that the Samajwadi Party tells me that what is the action you will take against this sitting MP from Sambhal. Will Akhilesh Yadav sack him or not? Why should he not be booked? Pooja, give 30 seconds.
Why would he take?
Pooja, only 30 seconds. Listen into what he says and उसके बाद जवाब दीजिएगा.
ये मस्जिद थी, मस्जिद है और इंशाल्लाह मस्जिद रहेगी क़यामत तक। और रही बात, सबकी जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि हम अपनी मस्जिद की हिफाजत के लिए कानूनी लड़ाई को लड़ेंगे। हमारी मस्जिद को ये 2, 4, 5, 10 साल पुरानी नहीं है। इसको जो ये कहा जा रहा है कि बाबर ने किसी धार्मिक स्थल को उनको तोड़ करके बनवाया, अरे ये धार्मिक स्थल, ये मस्जिद पहले से किसी को तोड़ के नहीं बनाई गई। हक है, हक कहेंगे हम। पुलिस प्रशासन और सरकार से दबने वाले थोड़ी हैं। अरे हम इस देश के मालिक हैं, नौकर गुलाम नहीं हैं।
अब बताइए पूजा, कौन देश का मालिक है, कौन नौकर है, कौन किसको दबा रहा है, कौन नहीं दबा रहा है? ये पत्थर कहां से आते हैं, ईंटें कहां से आती है? कुछ तो जवाब होगा आपके पास।
Administration. How come I answer? And police is
Because he is a Samajwadi Party MP, no? Are you okay with this language? Are you okay with this language?
अगर आप जो जा करके उनके मस्जिद में विदाउट टेकिंग, आपको नहीं लगता?
अरे मैम, देश में कोर्ट है ना मैम, देश में कोर्ट है।
आप देश में कोर्ट है।
राम मंदिर का मसला भी कोर्ट में ही पहुंचा ना। प्रधानमंत्री ने बार बार कहा कि ऐसा नहीं कि हम कोर्ट के बाहर इस मामले को सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते, बट उन्होंने इंसिस्ट किया कि हम कोर्ट के जरिए ही इस पूरे मामले का समाधान करेंगे। पूजा, कोर्ट्स है कंट्री में, कोर्ट समाधान करेंगे। किसी नेता का इस तरह का बयान देना पूजा किस हद तक सही है?
I don't think he said wrong. I don't think he said wrong.
Of course you don't think it's wrong. Nicole, do you think it's wrong? Nicole, ठीक है, रुकिएगा। Nicole?
See, firstly, when you look the matter of this entire mosque, I think survey people were given permission by the court for 7 days, and now they want to go for extension. So now, when the extension was granted, I think local administration must consult with the people there, and then with the pure and proper administrative and proper security, they must, if the intelligence was there that there is going to happen, then they must ensure everything before proceeding. Actually, I'm not advocating the riots that happened there. It should not happen, and there is definitely the loss of life due to such incident happening. Rioting is always not advisable, but if you see what Bharatiya Janata Party is claiming, Gujarat model without any riots, so if riotings are happening into the Uttar Pradesh, then it should be the failure. It should be also the failure of Bharatiya Janata Party administration. They were not able to decipher the same, and the way the entire administration work is again a questionable. But we never support such statement. Regarding the member of parliament statement, if he is saying that he is the owner of the country, then every citizen is the owner of the country. I think it should be taken in that perspective and not in the other way.
Of course, we've misunderstood Mr.
I am also the
he had
I am
pure
also the owner of
intentions,
this
Nicole,
country.
just like you. But the point is, why is it so difficult, Rashmi, for politicians to call out such netas? Because, they believe that this is the best way they can win votes. Make people fight, because ordinary people lose their lives. Whether it's a Hindu or a Muslim, that is secondary. These people pay with their lives, and these netas say, "Arey, kya galat bol diya?"
Absolutely, Deepti. The member of parliament for Sambhal is making extremely irresponsible statements, because of which today there is a loss of life in Sambhal. And these politicians who cannot bring themselves to condemn such statements are not beyond, warming their hands when their houses are burning. If they truly cared about this country and claimed ownership of this country, they wouldn't be so happy when it's burning. They would be concerned, and they would call out every person who is inciting such violence, including the member of parliament for Sambhal. His statements are extremely irresponsible, Deepti. The building in question, it's been declared a protected monument since 1920. He doesn't want to look at facts. He just wants to make political statements. Once a masjid, always a masjid. That's not how law and order works in this country. That is not how, justice happens. Justice has been delayed for so long. Because it's a protected monument, it was the responsibility of the, the ASI to determine the religious nature of the monument a long time ago. And because we've had successive governments which has only fanned divisive sort of politics and which has only sort of fanned this Hindu-Muslim thing, we've not had due course of law taking shape. Today it is taking shape, and these politicians, it's not beyond them to incite riots. So you can imagine that for more than 100 years, this notification came out in 1920. For more than 100 years, there has been no due course of law because of the way the politicians have acted, because of the way that they've treated this country like it's Jagir. Not like, like they claim, not the positive perspective of ownership that they take. They've literally treated it like Jagir, which is a negative connotation of ownership, not a positive connotation of ownership that they're now trying to, interpret as to support, their ally who's currently a member of parliament and
No, but this is worse, no, Rashmi. The point is, if there is a video evidence right now,
absolutely,
and this is on record. So, Nicole,
Yes.
before I get in Anirudh ji of the BJP, आपके एक और नेता है इमरान मसूद, वो कांग्रेस के ही नेता है. वो भी जिस तरह की बयान दे रहे हैं और जिस तरह की भाषा का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं कि वहां पर किस तरह का इस समय माहौल बन गया है, भाजपा और नरेंद्र मोदी सब पीछे पड़ गए हैं मुसलमानों के. ये निकोल, ये हिंदू मुस्लिम करके आप लोग कहां पहुंचे, आप खुद देख रहे हैं ना. मतलब एक कुछ लेवल होता है एथिक्स का, नेताओं का भी कुछ तो दीन ईमान होना चाहिए ना निकोल. Or you want people to keep fighting. You want people to keep fighting because this is the only way that you believe that you can at least get in some votes.
See, no one will support such a statement, but even
So will you ask the SP? Will you ask the SP to act against this man?
We can ask the same question to Bharatiya
Will you
Janata
ask
Party
Akhilesh
also
Yadav to act against this man?
Yeah, Bharatiya Janata Party must answer also such questions.
They will answer. Wait, they will answer. No, Nicole. I'm asking you a question. Why don't you want to? Why don't you want to respond to that?
To your question that I have already replied to your query that it is not being supported by any leader if he wants to divide the country in the name of religion.
So how is Akhilesh okay with this? And how are you okay then doing business with Akhilesh Yadav?
I am not okay with that, what I am reflecting right now to your query. If you want to go with the country which is want to prosper in the entire world, even Bharatiya Janata Party is talking of Vasudev Kutumbakam, then they must start thinking this philosophy in their own administration.
But this is your Mohammed ki dukaan, na? This is your Mohammed ki dukaan. Patthar nazar aate hain. Patthar dikhte hain.
Also, when your discussion with
bricks ka istemal kiya jata hai. You attack the cops and you remain silent about all this.
They all want to do all these things that is tolerable in this country. I don't know. I don't understand.
How is this tolerable? It is absolutely not tolerable. Exactly, Nicole, what I am saying.
Doing this, nothing is tolerable in this.
This is a court-mandated survey, for God's sake. It is not the BJP that has mandated the survey. It is the court-mandated survey. But Anirudh ji,
we want to be Indian.
No, I don't understand. You're wasting all your energy only speaking against, the cops, the administration. Well and good, you do that. But not a single word against the writers. Not a single word against those who have heaps of these stones and bricks on their terraces and who are throwing stones at the cops. Not a single word on them.
We are continuously criticizing it. Then also you want to portray that we are supporting rioters. That is
I asked you a question. People have decided this. Anirudh ji, लेकिन अगर आपकी भाजपा की सरकार है, आप बोले कोई और साजिश कर रहा है, ये बात अब गले नहीं उतरती है.
Deepti ji, I think viewers should understand chronology of the Samajwadi Party in NDA alliance. And one thing I would like to add on and value added, because I would not like take advice such party who divided the nation in the name of religion in 1947. Okay. So Congress leader, please don't advise to religion and communal matter. First of all, we should understand chronology. They do not like development of UP. They do not like to Yogi ji. They don't like to development model. They don't like harmony of Uttar Pradesh. They don't like.
Are you saying, sir? Are you saying that the SP is directly behind these riots? Is the BJP saying this?
India Alliance Maximum Party, Deepti ji, India Alliance Maximum Party, even Samajwadi Party would like to support to such type anarchism. They want to create anarchism all over India, all over UP. Even Mr. Burke, Burke is not a common man. Burke is the member of parliament. He is not a common man. How can say is the Jagir and how can say is the Jagir? This is not matter. Simple. One court given to order for survey.
Okay.
Police support to survey team. And how is possible maximum stone on the terrace and something else?
ओके ओके आई थिंक दिस इज अ वैलिड क्वेश्चन अनिरुद्ध जी. समय खत्म हो गया, लेकिन मुझे पूजा से सिर्फ 10 सेकंड में एक सवाल करना है. पूजा, क्या कोई एक्शन होगा बरक जी के खिलाफ, या आप उनको और प्रमोट करेंगी, अपना चेहरा बनाएंगे, आपका हीरो बनेगा वो समाजवादी पार्टी के? अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा पूजा.
I think this question should be asked to the government. Government should be held responsible.
आप ही के एमपी है ना, आप बोल दीजिए कि इनको हम सैक कर देंगे, इनकी पार्टी में कोई जगह नहीं है. बोलिए उनसे इस्तीफा लीजिए, एक्शन लीजिए ना उनके खिलाफ.
गलत बोला ही नहीं तो क्यों एक्शन लेंगे?
अब बताइए, आप कहती है कि गलत ही नहीं बोला, फिर तो साफ है ना पूजा, फिर तो दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो गया ना. जो हम सवाल पूछ रहे थे, is there a larger political ploy behind what happened in Sambal Rashmi? I think that question now has been answered, but only for want of time. I'm thanking both gentlemen and both ladies, but we'll continue to track that story. We head into a quick break right now.